Hello, and I wanted to ask you a question, and I'm not going to give you what I think is the answer now, but I was hoping that you would add some comments down below and see what you think. And it's a question about changes in brain during stroke on CT. And the question comes in the form of a thought experiment. So instead of occluding a vessel in a living, breathing human, I want you to imagine that we have a teleporter that manages to teleport an inch of brain, a cubic inch, cubic 2.4 centimeters of brain, out of a human's brain and directly into a sealed Perspex cube in the middle of a CT scanner. And that now that we have this cube of brain tissue without any blood supply, and it includes cortex and subjacent white matter, I want you to imagine what would happen if we scanned it on CT every hour. And then I want you to think of what would happen to the same cube of brain if we scanned it with MRI every hour, and how that would compare to what we see in vivo. Have a think, and then over the course of the coming weeks, probably, we'll discuss some of the differences between this thought experiment and what happens in real life, and some of the lessons that you can learn about real strokes by thinking about the mechanisms involved really clearly.